The next step is for enrollments. With the enrollments, we delete the user rights column and disable. So we delete that. We then go over and I take the heading for the enrollments. I copy that. And we have the enrollments. I changed the user ID column again. We format the cell. We custom 7 zeros. Copy and paste it into notes. Format change to text. Command or Control A. Control X. Control V. Okay. We then, now that that row is changed, we go to the row and we go to find and select. We go to find and replace. We're finding instructor. Replace it with teacher. Find all and replace all. Okay. In order to change this column, the status column, which determines whether or not a student is enrolled or if they're deleted from a course, we have to cut this row out, add it to a new sheet so that it doesn't change the data. And I had to find that out by default, but I'm just going to tell you. So we go into replace, and in replace we put 0 and replace with, or find what. We put 0, replace with what? We put active. And replace all. Okay. Next we'll do number 1, and number 1 is deleted. And we replace all. And close. Just to make you aware, this column is a column that, like I said, will post students' enrollments status, and sometime you'll have a student who is listed as active but they should be deleted, or that's deleted in this column but they should be active. And so Carol Beavers or Karen might call and ask about that. So we're going to delete that sheet. And then since we're finished with this sheet for enrollment, we just save it. Save as. And I used to just do enroll underscore March 6. Or like I said, usually I'd use the date, and then sometime I put the time, especially if you run it 3 times a day. And keep the format. So now we're going to import this into Canvas. And we're process data. I'm going to pause this right now until it loads. So basically it's just pausing. It's processing. As you can see, at this point we have a few ID numbers that have come back saying that the user is not found for enrollment. And so this is the number again that admins use for instructors. And so I looked through the list, and there are several, about 5 of them, that the admins have used for instructors. Others, I take that ID number and I copy and paste it into colleague, and I look up the student to verify if they have a schedule or not. It's the SCH schedule, SCHD something search in colleague. I'll show you on another. But what you can do is just search in colleague, or you can email to Wanda Harper to verify the student ID numbers, or the ID numbers that are left over, to verify if the students are in class, or if they should be enrolled, if they were dropped, or if the person is just showing up on your list and they're not enrolled at all. But some kind of way, I don't know how they're showing up, but that's happened several times this semester. In the end.